Harmony rebuilding. The woes of a flat owner of Block 469. Block 469 has 22 flats. In fact, Block 469 is a 24-flat plan like Block 468, but in the third floor of Block 468 there are only 4 flats, so the total flats of Block 468 is only 22. Add to this 10 flats of Block 469 and the total flats now works out to 32 flats. Yes, you are right. These 32 flat owners make for 70% of the total flat owners of the present Harmony Apartments. Remember, 70% of the total flats owners of the present Harmony Apartments. 22 flats owners of Block 469 sacrifice 4,477.22 UDS. 10 flats owners of Block 468 sacrifice 2,176.60 UDS. So, the 32 flats owners of Block 469 and 468 contribute 6,553.80 UDS to builder. Total UDS sacrificed by all 46 owners of Harmony Apartments is 10933. So, 32 owners of Block 468 plus 469 contribute 60% of the total UDS sacrificed to builder. Remember, 32 owners of Block 468 plus 469 contribute 60% of the total UDS sacrificed to builder. To summarize, 32 flat owners of Block 469 plus 468, that is, 70% of the flat owners contribute 60% of the total UDS, and in return, get pushed to the back side of the building, with no proper ventilation, with common walls, to suffer for the next 30 years or so, and someone preaches accept this with an open mind, broad mind. And they further justify this by saying, have a broad mind and big heart and accept this. You had always lived in the same location and lived there only. You had lived with common walls and deserve to live like that only. For the next 30 years. The royal offer to the builder by Harmony. Block A is offered to the builder in return for this great rebuilding service. What is the total area of the 19 flats in Block A, the builder flats offered to Harmony Builders? 31464 SFT. What is the total area of the 32 owners' flats in Block B? It is 29,790 SFT, difference is just 1674 SFT. Why can't Block B and Block A be flipped? What is the reason for this great consideration shown for Harmony Builders, ignoring the welfare of 32 flat owners who are sacrificing 60% of UDS? The other builder has offered any flat of corresponding size as per eligibility criteria to owners and left it to the owner's choice in the single building proposed. The other builder has also offered any car slot selected by owners and offered to take only the remaining car slots as builder's car park. Why is it not insisted that Harmony Builder 2 offers flipping of Block A and B and offering first choice to owners to select the car parking of his choice and accept only the remaining car parking slots as builder's slots? The provision for two-wheeler parking and visitors' car parking is not provided, and possibly there is no scope to provide for this. Oxfam report very recently had said that UK extracted $64.82 trillion from India during colonial era. Now this builder will extract from 70% of the owners 60% of the total UDS and push them back of the building with poor ventilation, common walls, and suffer like this for the next 30 years. The insistence shown by some to declare a builder null and void despite many objections. If there is any special consideration to be shown to Harmony Builders, let it be known. At least 70% of the present owners who are offering 60% of the total UDS in this redevelopment project should know this. The 32 owners, who constitute 70% of the total group, can accept their fate and live in a congested building with 32 flats, with little ventilation and common walls etc. for the next 30 years. And give the builder the pleasure of living in the road-facing apartments, a separate block. Let those who want to declare a builder, who is offering single block with just 8 flats per floor, covered car parking, visitors car park, plus two-wheeler parking, be declared null and void, and let those who claim to vouch for Harmony inflict unjust justice to 32 flat owners. Might be, this aspect can be seen by the committee member who is representing the shops. Block A. The cost to shift to Block A will be 68 lakhs to 1 crore plus GST. Does the design and layout matter when it is out of reach for many? The layout, construction specifications will apply to those who buy Block A flats. Since Block A is the exclusive domain of builder, the builder can design the flats to his choice, apply specifications as required, and note this in the RDA of the Block A owners, and register it in RERA. Special treatment offered by builder to owners of Block B, who are 70% of owners, and who contribute 60% UDS. B block owners are pushed to the backside of the building. 32 out of the total 65 flats in the building are B block flats. That is, 50% of the total flats in the building are stacked in this B block, creating a claustrophobic atmosphere. When you see something that is not right, not fair, not just, you have to speak up. You have to say something. You have to do something. If you are neutral in situations of injustice, you have chosen the side of the oppressor. If an elephant has its foot on the tail of a mouse, and you say that you are neutral, the mouse will not appreciate your neutrality. Reference is invited to an old post in our group by one of our members, Na Ilavaragan, Block 468 Flat 13. எனது கவனத்தில் வந்ததில் ஹார்மனி பில்டர் தனது வரைபடத்தில் ஏ, பி, சி என பிரித்து ஏ 1550 சதுர அடி, பி 14 பிளாட் உரிமையாளர்கள், சி 469 பிளாக் மற்றும் 468 பிளாக் 10 உரிமையாளர்கள் என பாகுபடுத்தி வரைபடம் தயாரித்து உள்ளனர். ஒவ்வொரு மாடியிலும் அனைத்து சதுர அடி மனை பிரிவும் வர வேண்டும். நமக்குள் ஹார்மனி, அதாவது இசைவிணைக்கம் வேண்டும். ஹார்மனி பில்டர் அதனை அடிப்படையிலேயே பிரிவுபடுத்திட வேண்டாம். அடுத்து, சுற்றிலும் 3 பக்கமும் 7 மீட்டர் இடைவெளி உள்ள வரைபடம் வரைந்து தந்தால், நமக்கும் காற்றோட்டம் வீடு மாற்றுவோருக்கும் வசதியாக இருக்கும். நன்றி. வணக்கம். நா இளவழகன். 468-13. சிலர் தங்களைப் பற்றி சிந்திக்கிறார்கள். சிலர் மற்றவர்களைப் பற்றியும் சிந்திக்கிறார்கள். பிறர் நலனைப் பற்றி சிந்திக்கும் மனிதர்கள் மிகவும் குறைவாக உள்ளனர். அனைத்து உயிர்களிடத்திலும் அன்பு கொண்டு அருள் பொழியும் சான்றோர் எவராயினும் அவர் சான்றோர் எனப்படுவார்.
ஆண்டவா, எல்லாரும் எப்பவும் மன நிம்மதியோட எந்த தொந்தரவும் இல்லாம சந்தோஷமா இருக்கலாம்.